Every time I walk up to the mailbox, I know what to expect because the new utility bills are so much higher than they were last year, and there's not much chance that they're going to be reduced anytime soon. So a lot of people right now are getting their energy bills and they're finding out that they're way higher than they were before, and they don't really know what to do about it. But if you're in a rural property and you've got your heating system with oil or propane or maybe even electricity, it's probably a really good time to think about a heat pump. The government's got all the programs on right now. We can give people 6 months, no interest, no payment. They can get up to $5,000 back if they put in a heat pump system. And there's also a $40,000 interest-free loan that's available. So there's a lot of ways to do it. It's going to be cheaper now than it'll ever be in the future. So if you have the opportunity, have a look, get an estimate, see what your options are for the future. My name is Doug and I'm from Air Source Home Comfort. Give us a call. We'll see if we can get an estimate done for you right away. Thank you.